Hey, Greg, you must see this new mat that I've just bought from BOOXE. It's 4.5 millimeters thick. It's industrial rubber. It's edged. It's perfect. It's waterproof. It's for loading plants and stone and compost and all that sort of stuff. It protects my bin. But the nice thing about it as well is that because it's an extension, is that before we used to get stone and soil go down there. When you try and close it, it normally damages your vehicle. Whereas now with this being closed, it's ideal.
So no stone or sand will get down into the hinges.
Nope, not at all. That's ideal. That's perfect.
Fantastic plan.
Yeah.